Hi, this is called the Cold Brew Primula Coffee Maker, and you can make delicious cold brew coffee just like you have at Starbucks. It's a lot less acidic, 65% less acidic, and it doesn't have that bitter taste that sometimes hot coffee has. But a lot of times people think iced coffee is just pouring coffee over ice and yesterday's coffee in the coffee pot, and that's not what it is. There's actually a system that makes it work so that it filters the coffee appropriately so that you get that cold brew taste without the bitter acidic aftertaste. So this is Primula Cold Brew Coffee Maker, but you can get these anywhere. I got this at TJ Maxx, but you can also get this on Amazon. Not this same one, but Amazon sells other variations of these pitchers. So I'm going to show you, just demonstrate how you make the coffee, and make sure I have the lid. So first you're going to need your coffee, and I have two kinds here because I'm looking to get rid of some of the coffee here. We have quite a few of these in the cabinets, and I'm just really trying to use up my coffee. So if you have a lot of extra coffee and you're trying to use it up, this is a great way to do it. And then you want to also use some kind of filtered water. Make sure you have measuring cups. And you also want to make sure that you measure the coffee out appropriately. So you have about maybe 14 tablespoons of coffee. So you have to picture this like an 8-ounce coffee maker, basically. So it's like a full pitcher. And this will keep for about a week. So after you make the coffee, it'll keep in your refrigerator for about that long. So right now I'm going to measure out the coffee. And so I'm using a special this is a special scoop. You can use a scooper, or I think in this one I might have an actual tablespoon. So I'm going to do this just so you can see. So I'm going to measure out about 14 tablespoons, and as you can see inside of the coffee filter, the coffee pitcher, there's a filter. So I'm actually putting it into the filter. Okay. Now this one looks like it only holds about maybe 10 tablespoons. It's not filled all the way up to the top, but they do say to put in about 14 tablespoons. But I'm only going to do about 11 or 12. And again, it also depends on the strength of the coffee and how you like it. Now it also says to pour 2 cups of water over the filter, so that it dampens the coffee, but you're also supposed to put the water in the pitcher. So you want to make sure that you brew the filter, and then you want to add the water to it. So you add the coffee and then pour cold water over the coffee. And that's basically what you have to do. That's really all you need to do, but you can also put it in the pitcher. So there's a couple different ways to do it. You could pour 2 cups over this, or you could fill the pitcher up. So it's however you want to do it. But once this has water in it, if you take it out, it's obviously going to be kind of messy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in here, and then what I did previously was I just kept filling this up until it filled up the pitcher. Because what it does is it make sure I can get this out. Because what it does is it kind of filters on the side. So what I think I'm going to do at this point is fill up the pitcher first. So there I'm filling up the pitcher. And then what they also recommend that you do, now I'm putting the filter back in, and it looks like it's getting a little messy. Okay.